Okay? Kapag pumasok po sila sa top 5, babalik po tayo sa 0. Okay? Babalik tayo sa 0. Lilinawin ko lang, babalik tayo sa 0.
Okay, so let's have first candidate who is on top 5. Move forward. Candidate number 3.
Candidate number 3. Next on candidate number 3. Join candidate number 3. Candidate number 9.
Okay, samahan mo na rin si candidate number 3 at 9. Candidate number 5.
Candidate number 5. Okay, 2 more slots left. Who would be going to join the 3? Candidate number 3, 9, and 5. Okay. Next is candidate number 10.
To complete the list of our top 5 tonight. All around, all your breath, because you are part of the top 5. Candidate number 1.
And there you go, partner, our top 5. And for our non-winners, congratulations as well because you are a big part of this competition. May we have our claps and hands for our dear contestants. Our top 5 are candidate number 3, number 9, number 10, number 1, and candidate number 5.
Bibigyan mo kami ng isang kanta at titulo ng isang kanta, ano yun at bakit?
Para sa akin po ay blank space. Kasi po, ito ang pinaka maganda para sa akin, maganda sa pandinig. At ito ang kahiligan ng mga kabataan ngayon, ang maging modern po. Yan lamang po, maraming salamat. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, maraming salamat. Alam mo po sa iyo ay yung tanong sa akin yung first pageant ko. Itong tanong ko, why did you join in this pageant? Salamat po sa napakagandang tanong. Kaya po ako sumali sa patimpalak na ito dahil gusto ko pang maranasan ang iba't ibang mga kompetisyon at gusto ko yung maharangan ng isang corona at makakuha ng iba't ibang premyo at para mabuhos ko pa ang aking talento para magamit ko pa sa susunod na kompetisyon na ating sasalihan. Salamat po. Thank you, candidate number 3.
Okay. Thank you, candidate number 3, for your warm answer. Okay, next is candidate number 5.
So your judge will be Mr. Philip Santiago.
Hello. First is question. Simple. Do you think you are beautiful? Why? Do you think you are beautiful and why?
Opo. Maganda po ako sa panloob, hindi sa panlabas na inyo.
number 5.
Okay, so, number 9. Ready ka na ba? Okay, kaya yan.
Okay, good evening. If you were made to choose from the following profession or occupation, what would you prefer to become in the future and why? Tatanungin ka, kung ikaw ang pipiliin, alin sa mga babanggitin ko ang pinakagusto mong maging at bakit? Number 1, teacher. Number 2, stewardess. Number 3, doctor. At number 4, maid.
Teacher po. Kasi gusto ko po magturo sa mga bata hindi marunong magbasa, magbilang, magsulat ng kahit ano. Gusto ko maging teacher kasi yun din po ang gusto ko nung pagkabata lang po. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 9 wants to be a teacher.
Okay, last but not least, we have candidate number 10.
And our last candidate is candidate number 10. Miss Tracy Z. McGill to receive the award, a certificate of appreciation for being one of the board of judges. Next is Sir Philip B. Santiago, sir. Next is Sally L. Cardone. Next is Sir Erwin B. Abswell. He wanted to be called Matt. Okay. Thank you very much for the panel of the Board of Judges for tonight's affair for judging